Maybe I came on too strong. Maybe I waited too long. Maybe I made my cards wrong. Oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby, I'm playing back a little. I could die hanging on the words you say. Nothing enough to get my all and jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the line. Don't call me baby unless you leave, and don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it, and let me know the truth before I dive right into your mystery. I'll travel the world and there's no one girl like you. No one. Mga favorite. Okay, palakpakan po natin, Kuya Ben Pasco.
Benix, Kate, wish ni Kuya Ben ay good health at saka
stay healthy and be happy always. Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you so much.
happy birthday, who?
Ano ba talaga?
Hi Kate, happy birthday. I wish na sana marami ka pang birthday na marating, na ikaw ay masaya, malusog, at walang problema.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. Tapos ka pag-aaral.
Thank you so much po. Tawagin naman po natin.
Happy birthday.
Picture po muna nanay. Nanay Nita Karaig.
Ayun, hi Kate, happy birthday. I wish you the best in life and may God bless you always.
Picture taking. And tawag.
Happy birthday, Kate.
Yan lang?
Ayun.
Happy birthday, kumare.
Picture lang pa kuya.
Picture.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po kami at lalong-lalo po sa mga nagbumuo para magkagayon ng birthday ng batang ito. Happy birthday, Kate.
Thank you po. Picture po muna. And syempre tawagin naman po natin si Ate Vilma Canto.
Happiest and blessed birthday. Wish ko iyong kalusugan, mag-aral kang mabuti, at palagi mong iingatan ang iyong sarili.
Thank you so much. Picture.
Happy birthday ulit. On behalf of Ethel Soriano, alam kong gusto niyang batiin ka ng happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Kate. Happy 18th birthday. Remember that we are always here for you. So, kita mo naman ang aming suporta sa'yo. And also, kahit hindi tayo laging nakikita, one chat away lang si Ate Jen sa'yo. Hoping that your journey to adulthood will be smooth and full of joy and love. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Hey Kate, wish you natin but the best at saka good health sa'yo lagi.
Sumabay ka lang, huwag kang mahihiya. Sige, subukan mo. Baka may mawala. Walang mawawala. Kapag nagtsatsaga,
Kumukuya ko lang si Sere. Okay, ready! Ganda!
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to?
Sir, ganda! Alam ko na. Go! Okay. Okay nga, marunong na po. Ay, yung ninong na tito na naka-green po. Pa-spelling po ng letter K. Oh, magaling to. Madiskarte. Okay, ready? Letter K!
Twerking like Alec.
Letter time I look at you, there's something new. Keep my love and strong. He whisper in my ear, open doors are closed. In a world where anything goes, you give me strength so I stand tall. Within this bed of earth, just like a rose. And all the seasons change,
Archie Cortez.
at sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil. Huwag ka sanang nagagaling. Tinamaan yata talaga ang aking puso, na dati at hindi pa rin magkalapit. Inuuwi.
Okay, picture. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin. May jumbo hotdog ka pa dyan, DJ?
Baka may mapala, walang mawawala. Kapag nagtsatsaga, kung gustong gusto mo, sundan mo lang ako.
Okay, sayaw na daw po ng jumbo hotdog, go!
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba?
Yeah!
Kaya mo ba to?
Party, party! Okay, thank you so much po. Alis na po.
Ako po yung nagpapasalamat sa mga nakarating dito sa karawan ni Kate. Lalo na sa aking kumpare, Parimber, kahit malayo ka ng galingan, nakarating ka sa mga kabag-anak, tiyain, sa lahat-lahat. Lalo na kay sa aking manugang, kay Ben. Kate, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kate! Yes, palakpakan naman po natin. Happy 18th birthday kay Kate. Punta po lahat ng bisita dito sa unahan. Paparamdam po natin kay Happy birthday po kay Kate. And syempre maraming salamat po sa ating venue, Medicare Catering and Medicare Resort and Events Place. Thank you so much, RDJ Sound System. Maraming salamat din po, Beyond Decors. My name is Host Jean. Sabay-sabay po tayo sumigaw ng Happy Birthday, Kate. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy Birthday, Kate! Thank you so much, everyone, and please enjoy the rest of your evening!
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.